Today is June 29th, 2024. We're gonna eat. I got a salad. Betsy got a salmon, 2 sides. Right now she's drinking. Look what she's drinking. Ew. Sophie too, she got a little mango. Oh, and the food is already here. Look at this exquisite food.
Start telling me that.
Wow, actually perfect timing. I'm so glad.
Thank you. Look at this. Looks pretty good.
So much.
Comete algo, Betsy. That looks so good, actually. That looks so good. Ooh, Maddie, that looks fire.
Oh yeah, Maddie no le gusta el salmón.
Oh no, for real?
Yeah.
So good. Alright, vamos a hacer un corte.
Gerardito just got here.
Alright, Gerardito made it here.
Oh my God, bro.
And we already got done with our food, so what's the next step?
About to go build Legos.
You should eat good.
We're gonna eat peanuts.
Oh yeah, a little snack. Okay, this is we made it back home, obviously. So this is mine. This is so cute. All my tiny plants. Sophie got a Harry Potter. Got Minecraft.
Why are you chewing so hard?
Maddie, you got a Stitch.
I got Stitch. It's holding an ice cream. Yeah, it's so cute.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. And then
I got an orchid plant with its own little pot that Gerardito got me for my birthday.
Aw, shout out Sophie too. She got me mine. Shout out. No, that's actually really cute though. Gerardo, he's still eating, but he got a dark
Bruh.
fade. I don't know, but it looks super cool.
Okay, we're gonna start. Okay. Wait. Yeah, sure. There's a lot of free music on YouTube, so. What the Sigma? Did she say bag number 1? Yes, yes. What do you want? Another one? Yes, I opened it. That doesn't look like Stitch, guys. Oh, period. Look at my little flower pot. Look at my tree. Welcome to my vlog. Look! Can I leave one this? Dang, look at myself. I never know about your channel. Oh, bro?
Okay, well, we're done. Well, I'm done with mine. Sophie helped me with a cactus. This one, right?
Yeah,
this one. And another cactus. Thank you, Sophie. And then Sophie's.
My little house, and it opens up or whatever.
Ooh, house tour. Oh. Looks like you're having a party.
And yeah, I'm never touching a fucking Lego ever again.
And then Maddie, show us what you built.
My Stitch.
Oh,
Stitch though.
so cute.
Fuck that.
For real. Fuck him.
Stitch a bitch.
Hey, you got it done though. We all got it.
like she's
And then Camila.
This is my Fox house.
What the
This is a
This is my Fox house. Déjala, she's talking. Come on.
this.
Ooh, period.
This is a homeless person
Okay.
right here.
Okay. Oh shit. I love it. And then Betsy.
I'm not finished. Oh, it's supposed to be this, but oh my god, it's close enough.
Okay, we love the effort. Okay, Gerardito.
Yeah.
If you don't know, you don't know. If you know,
If you know, you know.
ham and cheese on a roll.
With the orange chip, the orange chip.
We going to the bodega.
All right. Paso seguir. Paso seguir.
Oh shit.
Paso seguir.
Oh shit. Guys, 10 likes.
Hey, that's good. That's good. And we'll throw this off
I
the
look,
roof.
look, 10 likes and I'll throw this off the roof. I'll throw this into the pool.
You heard it here first, guys.
10 likes. 10 likes.
Get us to 10 likes, guys.
And you have to subscribe.
And
Look,
And
10,
turn on the bell for
10
notifications.
likes. 10 likes and 3 subscribers.
yeah. All right, we made it. We made it to the park.
Now this is what I call America.
Not even trying to be funny. I don't see one single colored person at this
Do you see us?
function. I don't see a single colored person.
All right, you tell me, crew. You tell me, audience. You see?
I see one. I see one.
Wait, wait. Oh.
Oh my god.
Where the fireworks gonna be?
Where the fuck are they at?
Well, after we settle down, it looks like
We were headed towards the farm.
I think we have to settle our place first. We're trying to find Maddie's mom and dad. Found her.
What the Sigma?
I feel very out of place right now.
All right, we got our food. Elephant ear. Funnel. Yup. Yup. All right, let's go.
Wait, hold my lemonade. I'm gonna go.
You can't stand in line with this lemonade.
What the?
We're headed down.
You see what I mean?
Go, go. Follow him. Follow him. It's so funny. Well, it's so humid out here. It is so humid. I'm sweating everywhere. Pero it's okay. Mira esta fila. It must be good. It must be good. Hey, not bad. Hopefully after this line we can finally sit down. How does it feel to be Sigma?
Super,
Different? It feels different for her.
Super Sigma Skibidi toilet.
Maddie! Estamos perdidas, perdidas. Perdidas, perdidas.
Like looking around.
Perdidas.
Here. You can hold this for now. Give me.
It wasn't even half of
Alright,
this.
Gummy.
Just now, just literally 2 seconds ago. Look at the sky, it looks beautiful. What is up? We're back at another YouTube video, and of course, we're here at the Greenwood Fireworks Show, and of course, as you can see everywhere, we have chicken fries. We have elephant ears, and of course, we have the famous funnel cake with the lemonade. Of course, you cannot forget. So we're gonna go back to the blanket. Let's go.
Let's go.
Why'd you say it so loud?
Competition, man.
So guys, like I was saying, of course, we're gonna go back to the blanket right after we get Betsy.
But where's Betsy? But where's Betsy?
Where is Betsy, you ask? Well, she's getting her, where's she getting? Curly fries. She's gonna get her curly fries. So
How long has it been?
it's been like 20 minutes waiting for her, honestly. I'm
20
kind
minutes for
of,
some curly fries.
yeah. It's kind of a disappointment, but you know what? We will wait for her. Anyways, guys, that's all, and we'll see you when fireworks come on. Ready? Bye. That was super epic. All right, we're gonna head out of here. There's gonna be a hella traffic because there's like over 20,000 people here. Vamos a hacer un corte. Bye.